And today we're going to learn how to make my Italian stuffed shell appetizer. Now let's make our pasta. Okay, we're going to turn our stove on high. And we're going to bring our water to a boil. So now that it's boiling, we're going to put a little bit of oil, just so the pasta doesn't stick together. And put some salt. So now we're going to take each shell and gently put them in the water. Now, obviously, the water's boiling. You don't want to burn your hands. But just drop it in, just like that, kind of away from each other. Like I said, because you don't want to put them in and you don't want them to break. So we're just going to drop them in there. Try to drop them away from the others if you can. Remember, this is all about presentation. That's why we're doing this. I know it seems a little obsessive, but you want this to look good. You don't want broken shells. So, and you may have to go through 2 or 3 boxes of shells to get, an equivalent of 1 box of good shells. But that's the price you pay, to make your food look good. Make sure you periodically test the shells gently. Make sure you do it gently because you don't want to break shells. And just test them to see how they're cooking. You want them firm. You don't want them too soft. And obviously you don't want them rock hard. You kind of want them firm and kind of rubbery. And that means they're perfectly done. Right now these are pretty hard. So they got a while to cook. We're going to cook them roughly 10 minutes. And 10 to 12 minutes, and that'll probably be perfect. So I think that the pasta's about done. We're going to go in here and lift one out gently if we can, because we don't want it to tear. And you see it's soft but still a little firm. That's perfect, because in the end we're going to bake it when it's all done anyway. So I think we're about done here. So let's turn our stove off, and we're going to strain. Let's shake that up a bit. Okay, it's great. Okay, now I'm going to show you an easy way to dice some onion.